Welcome students. In this video, we will solve important multiple choice questions from types of accounts and golden rules of accounting. This is part 5 of the Accounting MCQ series. Let's start. Question 1. How many types of accounts are there according to traditional classification? Option A 2, Option B 3, Option C 4, Option D 5. The correct answer is Option B. Question 2. Which of the following is a personal account? Option A cash account, Option B purchase account, Option C RAM account, Option D rent account. The correct answer is Option C. Question 3. Which account is debited when the owner introduces capital in business? Option A cash account, Option B capital account, Option C drawings account, Option D expense account. The correct answer is Option A. Question 4. The rule of real account is: Option A debit the receiver, credit the giver. Option B debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Option C debit all expenses, credit all incomes. Option D debit losses, credit gains. The correct answer is Option B. Question 5. The rule of personal account is: Option A debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Option B debit expenses, credit incomes. Option C debit the receiver, credit the giver. Option D debit losses, credit gains. The correct answer is Option C. Question 6. The rule of nominal account is: Option A debit the receiver, credit the giver. Option B debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Option C debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Option D debit capital, credit drawings. The correct answer is Option C. Question 7. Which of the following is a real account? Option A salary account, Option B building account, Option C capital account, Option D rent account. The correct answer is Option B. Question 8. Which of the following is a nominal account? Option A furniture account, Option B cash account, Option C salary account, Option D debtor account. The correct answer is Option C. Question 9. Which type of account includes expenses and incomes? Option A personal account, Option B real account, Option C nominal account, Option D capital account. The correct answer is Option C. Question 10. Golden rules of accounting are applied for: Option A preparing trial balance, Option B recording transactions, Option C preparing final accounts, Option D checking errors. The correct answer is Option B. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos from this Accounting MCQ series.